All right, here we go. Top Fuel Hydro, side by side. Kevin Kinsley driving Liquid Voodoo in the Hawkins Battery and Golf Cars left lane. Mike Robbins and Nitro Nuts in the right lane. There's 10 seconds left on the countdown. Make sure you take care of your kids and their dogs. It's gonna get loud. Yeah, so much yeah. Your winner is going to be in the Superior Auto Sounds right lane. Mike Robbins and Nitro Nuts going to take the win with a 3:26.6 for a 221 mile an hour pass. 1:59 for reaction time. Kevin Kinsley, 3:26 for his reaction time. Ran a 233 mile an hour pass trying to get caught up. Ran a 3:36.8. And Mike Robbins was out in front the whole race.